Hey, I just want to make a quick video showing you how to change the light bulb behind your climate control here. So the way this works, you want to get something flat, put it in there and pry it out, and you can see the top, there's a little tab, but don't worry about that. When you pry it out here, actually the first step is you just center up all your controls and pull the little knobs off of them. They just slide right off. And then again, you put something right there in the edge and you kind of pop it out. And then the reason why you do it from that side, so here's a little tab right there. That tab just goes, let me put this down. Tab just goes right into that little slot. And anyhow, after you pry that out and take it out, there's also an air conditioning button that'll come right out with it. But that's your light bulb there. Whoops. And it's usually covered up by this piece here. And it has a little notch right here. And there's a little tab right there. And I guess I can put it in. So put it in is really easy. You just slide the left side in first, this side, and you just push. And it would slip right past that and click in. So when you're taking it out, I kind of like this little hook deal. I just kind of gently put it in there. And then while you're pulling out, you have to gently, I'll take this out. You have to gently push this tab to clear this little piece right here. Now this is going to be really old plastic, so you want to be real careful, because I don't know what happened if you broke that off. You'd have to glue it back on. But anyways, once you get that off, you push that tab, pop it off on this way, then that exposes the light bulb. And the light bulb you just grab and pull out, and then there's like a little plastic rubber piece over the bulb. You just slide that off, put it on the new bulb, and then push it back in, and you're good to go. And then of course I recommend you turn on your lights, make sure it works before you button it all up. In my case, I have my dash off, which you have to have the dimmer switch hooked up right there, which mine's over there, but I've already tested this out. And then you just turn on your headlights and that light will come on. Anyways, and then when you get done, you just do the reverse order, put that clear plastic in, and then put the bezel back over, and you're done there. So anyways, hopefully this helps somebody out there, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you subscribe, you'll see more videos as they come out. Thank you for watching.